Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, it's the day after Tropical Storm Cristobal, and all we had was some tree limbs down. But other than that, we're good. Nothing really to worry about this far inland from a small storm like that. But during that time frame, we received a care package from Uncle Steve. Thank you, Uncle Steve. And in it was his new rub, Sweet and Spicy R. Let's go ahead and give it a quick taste test. Oh yeah. First you get the sweetness, then you get the heat. In it is some sugar, some honey powder, black pepper, salt, garlic, paprika, and other spices. So let's go ahead and put this on some ribs and see how it tastes. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start trimming up the ribs. There's this little pocket of fat over here that I don't particularly care for. That's good enough there. Let's go ahead and remove the membrane on the back. Just go ahead and slide your knife underneath the bottom here. Get you a paper towel. Go ahead and pull. Sometimes it comes off all in one, just like it did here. Sometimes it breaks apart, but we're good here. Go ahead and remove one of my gloves so that way I can grip the seasoning bottle. Like I said earlier, we're going to use the Uncle Steve's Sweet and Spicy R. Today I'm not using any binders. I'm just using the shake. We're going to go ahead and run this for 2 hours. Then I'm going to pull it and wrap it in foil with a little brown sugar and some butter. And then away we go. So I'm going to go ahead and get the Pit Boss up and running at 250 and see you back in a minute. All right, we went ahead and put them on the grill, bunched them up some. We're going to let them ride uncovered for the next 2 hours. Then after that, we're going to pull them, put them in some aluminum foil with just some butter, not the brown sugar, because we want to see what the sweetness of the sugar and the honey powder pulls in. But we are going to put some more seasoning on top of it during that wrap period. Then we're going to go ahead and let that ride for the next hour. Then we're going to unwrap it. Put it back on the grill for the next half an hour. When it reaches the internal temperature of about 200 degrees, pull them off the grill and then let them rest and then cut into them and see how they taste. My spritzer bottle has broken, so I'm just gonna have to lightly pour on some apple juice. So it's been about an hour and a half that the ribs have been on the cooker, and while I'm hearing the geese fight in the background, I was thinking, might as well give you all a quick tour of my little grilling area that I've built to house all my pits. So y'all can see what I've been doing. That's where the pit boss is, but that's not going to be its home. It's kind of in the way in the walking space, but I need the lights right now, so that's where its home is. But that is the home for the Weber, because it's kind of tucked in out of the way. Over here is where the oldest in the fleet lives. She's a 6-year-old pit. She's got a lot of miles on her, sitting out in the rain, unfortunately. So she's in dire need of a restoration or go to the scrap heap. But if I do a restoration on her, y'all be the first ones to know. Then I just got in this 22-inch tabletop griddle. Once I get lights in over here, we'll be using it a lot on this channel. Then I got the pit barrel cooker, Junior. Used that a couple times already on this channel. Love using that thing. But, like I say, I don't really have lights in over on this side because lights are pretty expensive. I do have these stickers available. Details be below and how to purchase these stickers in the description. Look at these bad geese. They know they not belong in behind this shop. Gonna have to go flush them out now. Alright. Thank y'all for watching so far. It's been 2 hours. Looking good. Oh yeah, we looking good, we smelling good. Gonna go ahead and flip it over now. Throwing just a tiny bit of shake there. And just a little bit of shake on top. Now I'm just going to add just a tiny bit, maybe about a tablespoon's worth of apple juice to it. And wrap it up. Now we're going to go ahead and put it back on the grill. Let it sit there for the next hour. We're going to go ahead and unwrap it. Oh, we look beautiful. Gonna go ahead and put it back on the smoker now and finish it off. All right, we've hit temp. Oh yeah. Sliding through like butter, we eat good. I did let it rest just a couple minutes, so that way the auger and the fan on the pit boss has its time enough to do what it needs to do. I did sprinkle on a little bit more of Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy shake, as he recommends if you're going to let it sit and wait for a minute. So let's go ahead and cut into it. Nice little smoke ring there. Let's go ahead and pull this camera up so we can do the taste test. Time for the taste test. Cut that side a little too close to the bone. Nice, perfect bite. Great taste. Nice sweetness to the beginning. Get that heat right at the end. Cheers, everybody. Definitely don't need any sauce with it. Perfect as is. This right here, the sweet and spicy, and the gator shake are my two favorite ones that he has. Definitely got to get you some of this. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.